What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you something that RinseKit sent me. So they make like portable showers and I guess water pump type devices. So basically the idea behind this, there's a tank of water. I put some really warm water in here, and then if we open this guy up here, we have a hose and then a pump that then pumps the water. So the idea is, at least for my use case in the wintertime here, with the Jeep, the water has to be turned off. So I filled this up with really warm water. That way I can wash the salt off the Jeep. And instead of carrying buckets out and tossing buckets on, this will allow me to do this. They say not to use this when it's below freezing. I have really warm water, and I'm obviously going to do this quickly. I'm not going to let this sit because the water would freeze in the lines and everything like that. But anyway, so like other use cases for it, outdoor showers, if you're overlanding, that kind of stuff, you need to clean your dishes off or clean your tires off in the mud. It's kind of a bunch of use cases that you could use the RinseKit for. They have a couple different versions of it. This is, like I said, a 3.5 gallon Pro kit, and they also sell attachments that you can put into the tank, like a water heater, so you can actually heat that water up. So this is gonna be cool for winter for me, and then once it's warm out, I'm definitely gonna find some other uses for that. So thanks to them for sending this kit out just to kind of show you guys for a video, and we're gonna kind of show you guys me using it on the Jeep. So to start it up here, just push this power button. The pump's gonna prime, and then we're ready to rock and roll. So, all right. So as you can see, the Jeep Killer salt all over the paint here. So I already got it primed up, and we're just gonna hose all this cruddy salt off. Pretty decent pressure, nothing crazy. Which you don't, to get the salt off in the winter, you really don't need to. So just gonna get it on the underside here. That's where the salt likes to sit and just eat away at the Jeep. Pump's nice and quiet. It's not too bad. It comes with also a quick disconnect here, which is kind of neat. So you can get different attachments, different hoses that you want. It's got like an on-off switch here, which is neat. But I'm just going to continue doing this. What's great about this is you can also kind of close this up so it's nice and compact like this. It's got a little carry handle, so then I'm just going to walk around the Jeep and kind of set it down and keep going at it. So what I'll probably also do is I have that salt's gone stuff that neutralizes all the salt. So I'd probably spray that first on there and then use this RinseKit to rinse off all that, all the salt stuff when it's done doing what it needs to do. But alrighty, so just finished washing the Jeep off. I was able to get the entire Jeep washed off with just one fill up of that. It's about 3.5 gallons of really warm water. So a lot of this is probably gonna freeze pretty quickly, but like I said, just want to keep the Jeep as nice as possible just by getting that salt off, not letting it sit on there and just eat away at the Jeep slowly. So yeah, overall pretty happy with it. The pressure seems decent for a small little unit. I wasn't expecting, some high pressure like from a hose or whatever, but, if you needed to use it just like what I did, just lightly, hosing off the Jeep here. And then, if you needed to take a shower or, clean off some pots and pans and some cookware, things like that, definitely would work well. It's a nice option for having just a super portable water pump hose system, basically, which is really nice. But so big thanks to RinseKit for sending it to me. I do have an affiliate link for you guys. If you guys do decide to pick one of these up, I get a little bit of money for that, so that supports the channel, helps me buy more stuff for the Jeeps, and yeah. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.